I'm going to start the installation of the fog light. These brackets have an upward position. The numbering is all at the top. So I'm going to need to flip it over to match the bumpers flipped over right now. And then also on the back of the fog lamp itself, you want to make sure that this is at the top. So when it is turned right side up, that this is pointed downward, and that's the way that the bracket goes. And then I'm going to attach the screws here to the back of it. So if anybody's doing a fog light install, some of the models don't come with fog lights. The wiring harness is already installed on the trucks. I'm not sure if the S model, the very lower end model, has the plugs or not, but I do know that SV has the plugs. So pretty much all you need is this kit. I know there's a bunch of kits out there. One directly from Nissan is about $200. This kit that I bought, because I just needed the brackets, that was about $40, and that's one of the reasons, like I said, I'm using or reusing the glass fog light itself off of my truck that I had. There's a couple items here that need to be installed. Is a screw clamp, and then also it does come with a bracket, a snap bracket here. So when you install it, put in the screw clamp here out top, and then there's a little clip, plastic clip here that goes in the plastic housing here. And just kind of give it a little push, and then that should snap together. And then the screw goes down here, if you can see that. And so that's pretty much all that there is to it. It's pretty straightforward. But like I said, I'm reusing as much as I can off of the old parts so that I didn't have to purchase all the new stuff. So this completes the installation of the fog lights on a plastic bumper. If you want to check out my other video, I explained how to install the plastic bumper and the upper grille. Next we're going to get started taking a look at how to install fog lights on the chrome bumper. Okay, on the ground here you can see that I have the fog lamp assemblies. There is a plastic adapter like this, one for each side. These are not interchangeable. However, the fog lamp itself is interchangeable from a plastic bumper to a chrome bumper. So these are interchangeable. The plastic brackets aren't. They go in one way. Very easy, 3 screws to install them on the back. Like this. And then it's very simple. They go in a slot down here, and then up at the top there's a bolt. So a bolt here, and then a bolt down here. And that's pretty much it. A little bit easier to do on the chrome bumper than it was on the plastic bumper. Just had some more brackets to install. But other than that, very simple job. The only thing that may be a little bit difficult is getting in. Like if you leave the bumper on, getting in to screw this down, this either bolt or screw at the top here, depending on what it comes with. There's not a lot of space in here. There's structural members behind the bumper itself, so that might be a little bit difficult. Obviously, you'll probably have to remove the fender liner and maybe even the tire to get back in here and get things situated. So Alright, that wraps up the installation of the fog lights, Nissan Frontier or Xterra. If you have any questions or comments, place them in the comment section below, and look out for some future videos. Thanks for watching.